AI kissing app Irmo AI. So here is a new viral app. It's going viral on TikTok and everywhere. So let's try it out. So with this app, you can create AI kissing videos, also AI hugging. So you just open it up. You need to upgrade. There is weekly upgrade or yearly. And then, for example, you just select AI kissing. So you can select two separate photos or group photos. So here is like, let's just select in here just an example, like Scarlett Johansson, whatever, just as an example, and then just create it. So this is included in your weekly subscription, and this is how it looks. We'll let you know how it's done to 6 minutes video creation in progress, and then you can just allow notifications, and then you will see it. So you can have kissing, some memes, future baby, bring to life, and then also like you can hugging, you can have romantic kiss, different types of kiss, celeb kiss, which you can also generate it. Friendly fight, burger mates, cheers together, hard hands, high five. So all kinds of smaller videos, but again, I'm upgraded in this app, so you need to use Irmo Pro to get that. So here is Pro, and then you have that. So this is just the price in Danish krona, and then also you even if you upgrade it, obviously you have credits. So I have like like 80 credits, and that's just basically what it is. And then you can see my artworks, and it's just taking some time. So yeah, it's really taking like 3-4 minutes, maybe even longer. So then you can also create like short videos with different heroes. You can just add also some video effects. You can pretty cool, add some amazing video effects here, something like that. It's really amazing. Cakeify, you can also do that. Crush. So pretty amazing app. Like I don't know any other app which is kind of doing this. And then yeah, you can just do it like that. Not of them are super quality, but at least for having fun, it's good. And that's just what you now have. Sheep corals. Oops, something. So now it's ready. So let's just take a look what it might look like. So this is the idea of the video. So it's quite fun. So yeah, that's what you can see in here. So it's just yeah, quite fun. So you can select hotkeys as well, just to have fun. I don't know. Yeah, this app is a bit glitchy, to be honest. So it's lagging. A lot of people are using it on Valentine's Day, so there might be some issues. But yeah, here's how you can generate this AI keys in here. So quite cool. So try it, Irmo app.